Hi, I'm Bob with Purdue MEP. The topic for this module is optimizing the new process. Optimizing a new manufacturing process involves improving efficiency, quality, and cost effectiveness while minimizing waste and downtime. Here's a step-by-step guide to help optimize a new manufacturing process associated with a new technology installation. The first step is to revisit your objectives and key metrics. Are the KPIs for optimizing the new process the same as the KPIs established before the new technology was installed? The original KPIs driving the project may have been cycle time or overall equipment effectiveness, but for optimizing the new process, you may be targeting energy consumption or scrap rate. Set clear goals for optimizing the process. Establish what success looks like. Is it increased throughput, reduced defects, lower costs, or improved quality? Step 2 is to map the new process. Create a detailed flowchart of the entire manufacturing process from raw material input to finished goods. Use techniques like value stream mapping to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or delays in the process. Then break down each step in the process to assess where resources such as time, labor, and materials are being used inefficiently. Step 3 is to analyze the data. Collect baseline data on the current performance of the new process, like first pass quality, production rate, or downtime. Use techniques such as the 5 whys or a fishbone diagram to identify the root causes of process problems. Step 4 is to identify improvement opportunities. Apply lean principles or Six Sigma methodologies to eliminate waste like waiting time, excess inventory, or unnecessary motion. Also, evaluate if simplifying steps, reducing complexity, or streamlining work can reduce errors and improve throughput. Step 5 is to implement the process changes. Before full-scale implementation of new process modifications, run small-scale tests of the proposed changes to assess the impact. Apply any necessary changes such as adjusting machine settings, reconfiguring workflows, or introducing additional technologies. Lastly, Step 6 is to validate the effectiveness of the implemented changes by measuring the KPIs and comparing them to the performance prior to the changes. These optimization steps can be repeated throughout the lifecycle of the process to continually improve performance. By focusing on continual improvement, you can ensure that your company is getting the greatest benefit possible from the new technology deployment.